cheese pulls.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun.
Good morning, welcome to my channel. It's Carly, and I'm gonna be doing a vlog style what I eat in the day. So I'm gonna just take y'all along with me with my day. For breakfast, I'm gonna be making some waffles with some fruits. Definitely the vibe this morning. I'm just really want some waffles, so I'm about to go do that. Yeah, let's go. So we about to start our waffles. I have my protein waffle mix, and it's 180 calories, 25 net carbs because it's 26 carbs, 1 dietary fiber, 1 dietary fiber, 16 grams of protein, 1.2 grams of fat. So I will be using 50 grams of this. My protein waffles, and I have some cinnamon sugar. Oh, I just realized I'm putting this in. Y'all can't even see. What am I doing? What am I doing? Added 50 grams of that. I have my food scale under, and I'm gonna add some cinnamon sugar. Add some water. And a dash of cinnamon. The cinnamon is like authentic cinnamon from Haiti. I'm Haitian if you guys didn't know. That's what I'm using, but obviously you could use any cinnamon. I mean vanilla. Why am I saying cinnamon? This is vanilla. This stuff is strong though. That's looking. Now just gotta mix it up. You also could use this mix to make pancakes as well, but I prefer waffles over pancakes. What do you guys prefer? I don't know. Waffles are just like it. I like the crunchiness of them. A little bit more water. Need to hydrate. I got this water cup on Amazon. I'll have it linked down in my Amazon storefront for you guys. And the waffle maker as well. I got that off Amazon too. And my scale has been on there for a while, if you didn't know, but I think this consistency is good for my waffles. I'm gonna spray my waffle maker with my butter spray. Let's add this in. I love using a spatula because it really like scoops everything out. As that's cooking, I'm gonna get my fruits ready. So here's my fruits. I'm gonna be using Miss Butterworth's sugar-free syrup. It's 10 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 0 protein, 0 fat. And I'm also gonna use whipped cream. This is fat-free, and it's 5 calories, 0 fat, 1 gram of carbs, 0 protein. So it's basically nothing, but it tastes good, so we're gonna use it. When I went to go get my waffle maker, I saw my panini press, and I was just like, oh my god, every time I forget I have it. So I'm using that for lunch today, definitely. I want to make a panini. Now that I've seen it, I'm just like, I need a panini. And I think I'm gonna do like a grilled cheese type thing. We'll see. But I'm so happy I just saw that. All right, so waffles are done. Let me make sure I'm recording. Now I'm just gonna add my syrup. And a little bit of whipped cream. Here we go. Taste test. So good. Literally tastes like dessert for breakfast. It's amazing. I love it. So today, after I eat this, I have to go upstairs and edit and post a new video. I did a video like pranking slash like testing my boyfriend, telling him I was giving up on my weight loss journey, and his reaction was interesting. I liked it. So I'm gonna post that video today. And what else do I have to do? I also filmed a reel today. I don't post on Instagram like that. I post on my stories a lot, but like on my actual feed, I don't really post like that, and I want to start. So I did a reel today, and I get anxiety posting on Instagram. I don't know what it is, but like Instagram is just so like superficial. I feel like, I don't know, I want to be more real. I'm really real on YouTube, and I want to bring that same realness to Instagram. So I made a reel. A reel. Nah, but for real. All right, can I stop saying real? Like, what is happening with me right now? All right. Posted a new reel on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at GlamByCarlyT. The giving up on my weight loss video was a lot. Low-key clickbait. Don't hate me. It's just the game. But low-key though, for a while I did feel that way. Like I didn't really feel like I wanted to give up, but I felt like I lost like my motivation. Like I wasn't losing weight like that. But I just, you know, I had to snap myself back into reality. Like, girl, what are you doing? Like, no, we're not giving up. You got this. Like, you know, it's not like, weight loss isn't just like a straight path and that you're just going straight and boom, you're just gonna lose weight. No, of course there's a lot of twists, there's a lot of turns, there's a lot of roadblocks, everything. And sometimes I have to just remind myself that it's not an easy process. Like I'm gonna have times where I don't feel motivated. I'm gonna have times where I don't want to count my calories or my macros, and like I'm gonna have times where I'm just want to go off track for a while, not just have like a little cheat meal. Like F this, like I'm about to just do whatever I want. Like of course I have times like that, but it's important for me to snap myself back into like reality and remind myself of my goals. Like, girl, do you want this or not? You know what I mean? And I woke up and I'm like, yeah, I do want this. Like, so of course I'm continuing my weight loss journey. I'm not quitting. I don't think I ever will. Even when I'm at my goal, I'm still gonna continue eating healthy and doing what I have to do. You know what I mean? But yeah, let me finish eating this and I'm gonna go upstairs and edit and post that video for you guys. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I pick up the camera again. Look at the sweet boy. Hi, Tiger. Good morning, sleepyhead. Oh, sweet boy. Hey guys, so it's time for lunch, and I'm gonna be making like a pepperoni and cheese, like grilled cheese type of panini. I don't know, you'll see. It's really good. I honestly wanted to make like a regular grilled cheese with cheddar, but I cannot find my cheddar cheese anywhere. Like, I don't know what's happening, but whatever. For my bread, I'm using rye bread from Stu Leonard's. It says New York rye bread. Here it is. It's like good quality bread. It's fat-free. It's cholesterol-free. All of it. Not too bad. 10 grams of carbs. 1 gram of protein. 0 grams of fat. So that's not bad at all. And 50 calories a slice. So it's 100 calories right here. And for my cheese, I'm using a mozzarella. And I'm going to be adding pepperoni. And I'm using the margarita. Is that the brand? Yeah, margarita pepperoni. You could use turkey pepperoni for this as well. I don't like turkey pepperoni. Like, I've tried because I want to, because, you know, it's like lower calorie, better for you, but I don't like it. I don't. So I'm just using regular pepperoni. So I'm adding on my cheese. This cheese is 60 calories per slice, and I'm using about 2 slices, so that's 120 calories. And I just like rip it up so it could fit the bread. I'm using a couple slices of pepperoni. Like, how many? Like 5? 5 will do. This is the only cheddar cheese I have, and it's literally like a tiny bit, so I'm just gonna put that on. So here's my panini right here. I'm just gonna add it on. And add like that extra cheese on top. Now I'm just gonna cut some cucumbers up to eat with my panini, my grilled cheese. I don't know what to call it. So I just cut 2 of my baby cucumbers up. I'm gonna be dipping my cucumbers in some light ranch, and it's 60 calories for about 30 milliliters. So let me do that. 30 milliliters, not that bad. You get a good amount. It's like the perfect amount for 2 baby cucumbers. I like making this for lunch because it's so fast. Like literally the panini takes like 5-10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, like 5-8 minutes. Cucumbers take a minute to cut up, so not bad. It's literally 2:25 right now, and I'm already exhausted. Like, I still have to leave my house and run errands. I'm gonna be meeting up with my boyfriend. Like, I have a lot to do, and I gotta work out today. If you want like a lower carb version of the sandwich, you could use like low carb bread, like the 647 brand bread. I really like that bread. I also make this with that. I'll put a picture of that bread. What else is low calorie bread? The Aldi's bread, I'll put a picture of that too. So it just depends. It's the same thing. This is the bread I had right now. I like the macros on this bread, so that's why I'm using it. I woke up today just admiring my body, loving how it is looking. You know, all my hard work is paying off. Me and my peace signs. No, but seriously, all my hard work, I feel like it's paying off. I have a long way to go, but I'm in love with myself during the process, as we all should be. Time for me to take my panini out, my grilled cheese out, my sandwich out. Let's just say that. See that? Here's my panini sandwich. About to take my bite. Me and my dancing. Gotta stop. Got some cucumber. It's the bee's knees. I like to make these kind of sandwiches with everything. I do like cheese and chicken. I do cheese and ham. I do just cheese sometimes. What else? Oh, bacon, tomatoes. Just depends on what I have in my kitchen, what I'm in the mood for. I was in the mood for like, kind of like a pizza inspired one, so I did cheese and pepperoni. It's so good. Literally cooks perfectly. And the cheese pulls, it's crazy. I'm all done with my lunch. Would 10 out of 10 recommend making this. It's delicious. I love it. One of my favorite things to make. I like my lunches to be quick because I got things to do. I don't got time to be in the kitchen for dinner. I usually have more time, you know, but lunch is like in the middle of the day. We got things to do, people to see, money to make. So we're heading to dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. We decided to just go out. You treating me?
Nah, Carly's GlamByCarlyT's a sugar mom.
No, you're my sugar daddy. What are you talking about? He's treating me. Treating me to a beautiful dinner. But yeah, we're at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm not used to vlogging in public. This is different. I'm gonna show you guys what I end up getting. I'm starving, so hopefully it's good. So Cheesecake has a skinny-licious menu with like low-calorie options. So this is what I ordered off of. What did I get? I got this right here. If it'll focus, lemon garlic shrimp, which is sauteed shrimp, basil, tomato, lemon garlic sauce, served with asparagus and angel hair pasta, but instead of asparagus, I got broccoli. I don't know why it won't focus. But yeah, they have this menu and everything is like 590 calories and under. So it's lit. Here's my food. I got some shrimp with some pasta. The lighting is not that good. And he got some salmon. Taste it. It's good?
Oh yeah.
It looks good. All right. Tastes really good. It's good. You should try it. So I'm on my way to the gym right now. I decided to take the stairs and be good as a little part of my workout, but I'm literally eating a Built Bar as I'm like on my way to the gym because I'm a little hungry. We had dinner so early. We had like an early dinner, so I'm just, you know, having a Built Bar for a little pick-me-up so I can have some energy for the gym. This is the salted caramel one. Sorry, I already opened it. Like, I couldn't even wait to eat it. Is it focusing? Yes, this is the salted caramel one. It's 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, like 4 net carbs. The macros are great, I always say that, but I love this. We were supposed to go to the gym first we were supposed to just go to the gym and not dinner, but literally we were like on our way and we were like, I want to go out to eat, like, so we were like, F it, like, we're just gonna go. We went out to eat. I worked off my Cheesecake Factory, even though it wasn't even that much calories. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, go to the gym, and I'll pick up the camera when I'm there to show you guys some of the workouts that I end up doing. But if you're interested in these Built Bars, make sure you check out my link down below. You can save money off, and I really recommend them. They're really, really good. So check them out.
Go ahead, babe. Go ahead, baby. Push through. You got it.
Are you being dramatic?
I'm not being dramatic, man.
It's Let's see you dance. Hey, hey. Our workout is complete. We did it. So now we are ready to end off our night. We were gonna work out earlier, but we decided to just do it before like we get ready for bed and stuff. So we just did our workout. It was good. It was fun. Since we went so late, the gym was empty, so that was really nice to get to have the gym to ourselves. We were acting stupid in there, but it was really fun. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed my video, my little what I eat in a day vlog style. I don't know what it is, but let me know if you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.